Next section is properties of multiplications. We already know the properties of additions and subtractions. Now we can see properties of multiplication. First property is closure property. If a and b are integers, then a into b is also integer. Example 2, 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 is also integer, 3 is also integer, 6 is also a integer value. Next property is commutative property. If a and b are integers, a into b is equal to b into a. For example, 4, 2. A is 4, b is 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Next property is associative property. If a, b and c are integers, the property is a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. This is LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to 60. Next one is identity property. The identity value is 1. If integer a multiply with 1 is equal to 1 multiply with the integer a, the answer will get a. This is the identity property. Property is zero property. If integer a is multiply with 0 is equal to 0 multiply with a, the answer will be get 0. Multiply any value with 0, the answer will be get 0 only. Example, a is equal to 6. 6 into 0 is equal to 0 into 6 is equal to 0 only. Next property is multiply by minus 1. If integer a is multiply with negative 1 is equal to negative 1 is multiplied with integer, the answer will be negative a. For example, a is equal to 6. 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 6 is equal to minus 6. Property is multiplied by negative 1. If integer a is multiplied with negative 1 is equal to negative 1 multiply integer is equal to answer will be get negative. For example, a is equal to 5. 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 5 is equal to, the answer will be getting negative 5 only. Last property is distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. If a, b, c, then a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Same method for subtractions. A into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. We will conclude LHS is equal to RHS. Example of distributive property: a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 3. Substitute the values into the formula. 3, here a is 3 into b is 4 plus c is minus 3 is equal to a value is 3, b value is 4, plus A value is 3, C value is minus 3. First, using the BDMOS, remove first brackets. 3 into 4. Here positive and negative signs are together closer, so we will use plus into minus is equal to minus. So we will sign here, the sign is negative, is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 3 into 3, 3 3s are negative 9. First remove the brackets. 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 is equal to, here also using the same method, 12 minus 9. 1 into 3, 3 is equal to 12 minus 9 is 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Exercise 1.1, third question. Use the distributive law to simplify and work out the following. First question, 673 into 272 minus 673 into 72. First write the distributive law. Distributive law, there are two laws. One is addition, another one is subtraction. Here using the subtraction law, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is LHS is equal to RHS. The question will be in the form of RHS format. 673 is A value. Here also 673 is A value. 673 into B value is 272. Sorry, 272 minus C value is 72 is equal to 673 into 272 minus 673 into 72. First simplify. First you will remove the brackets so you can perform. First the bracket values. 673 into 272 minus 72. Answer is 200 is equal to 673 into 272 is 1,83,056 minus 673 into 72. The answer is 48,456. Multiply 673 into 200. The answer is 1,34,600 is equal to, subtract this two, the answer is 1,34,600. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Exercise 1.1, homework sum. Third question, use the distributive law to simplify and work out the following. First question, minus 546 into minus 22 plus of minus 546 into minus 78. Second question, minus 4 into 20 minus of minus 4 into 15. Third question, minus 4 into 62 plus of minus 4 into 97.